Hello, this is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you're in the area in all the 7 cities, I actually come to you. What makes me different than the other mechanics, if you ask me for my business license, I can immediately produce one. If you say, well, what is your credentials? You can go to my YouTube page. All this information will be in the description of in the video. You can say, what are the customers saying about you? You can go to my Google reviews and they speak for themselves. They have dates and you can see in live, what people are saying about me. Do I claim that I could help everybody? Absolutely not. You go to your doctor and sometimes he has to send you to a specialist. Sometimes I have to tell you to go to a transmission shop. I'm very honest. I'm very straightforward. If it's not worth fixing and it's going to cost more than the car, I will let you know. I also look at, as a customer myself, how I want to be treated. I don't look at you as a number. When I come up to you, you have my undivided attention. I will answer your questions to the best of my ability. I will actually explain what's going on, very transparent in layman terms for you to understand where your money is, why it needs to be repaired, and whatever I can do. I also offer you different paths of where to get the parts from. I also give you warnings on certain places don't go or certain things don't put in your car or whatever the case may be. I am on your side. I come to your job or I can come to your home or a parking lot, anywhere safe that I can help you and fix your car. My prices are very reasonable. The customer, you are completely in control. You will go to my website, mobilemechanic757.com, and you can book your own appointment, your time, and your date. I also offer pre-purchase used car inspections. I just don't fix cars. I also do pre-purchase used car inspections. So if you or someone or your loved one or your family member or whoever, a friend, is looking to buy a car, especially military members, especially older people, especially single moms, I am going to pretty much hold your hand and let you know what is going on, and to let you know the value of the vehicle, etc., etc. I also give you options. I do not work for your money, so I give you options. I don't try to upsell you for anything. I don't try to fix anything that's not broken. And like I said, all my information is going to be in the description of this video. I also do one-on-one consultations for people who want to be a mobile mechanic. I've been there since 1992 in the military and the civilian sector. I know having your own business is hard work. I also have videos on YouTube. I also have my own Patreon page, which all this information will be in the description, that you can actually see how to set up an LLC, what it takes to run a business. I also do one-on-one consultations. You will go to themobilemechanic757.com, click on book appointment, and click on the tier that works for you. I have 3 tiers or 3 different times that you can choose, or excuse me, the duration of time depends on where you are in your business. And I will go from the very beginning. If you're moderate, I actually have documents. You should never run a business without having rules and regulations and policies. I have cheat sheets about air conditions that'll solve your problem a lot quicker, pressure, fill trims. All this stuff is on my website that I actually sell to get your business to be different and to prosper. All of it is in Microsoft editing, so you can, I even have Craigslist advertisements already set up with SEOs. All you gotta do is change the name of your business and the cities you are. And this is national, all 50 states this works in. You just tweak it to whatever your city and state regulations are to be in compliance. I even have documents, release of liability if they fixing a car and it's not safe, whatever needs to be done. Websites, all that's going to be on my Patreon page and on my website page for people who want to have a mechanic business. You can do it part-time, make it $30,000, or you can move all the way up to the $70,000 bracket, which take you into a completely tax bracket. And I made lots of mistakes. And there's plenty of videos, or you could talk to me one-on-one. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And all the information in this video literally will be in the description of the video. I'm here for you, or I can also help the customers. Either way, I'm here for you guys. I want to pass on the information and have a new generation of mobile mechanics that are making customers convenient and happy, or the business owners, either or. Have a good day.